Ready to dive into a massive Minecraft mod pack and got an FTB file to install? This is a curated collection of mods from one of Minecraft's most popular modding platforms. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll get your Feed the Beast mod pack up and running smoothly. I'll be introducing you to the true time saver at the end. This involves the correct application of a single premium FTB file inspection utility designed for broad spectrum file support. FTB files are Modpack configuration files used by the Feed the Beast launcher for distributing curated Minecraft mod collections. They contain Modpack definitions including mod lists, version specifications, configuration files, resource pack references, and server settings that the FTB launcher uses to automatically download and configure complete modded Minecraft experiences. FTB files are Modpack configuration files used by the Feed the Beast launcher for distributing curated Minecraft mod collections. They contain Modpack definitions including mod lists, version specifications, configuration files, resource pack references, and server settings that the FTB launcher uses to automatically download and configure complete modded Minecraft experiences. For viewing and interaction, FTB is most commonly opened via FTB app for Minecraft from Feed the Beast. Proper management of the file's internal compression logic requires a dedicated utility. Windows cannot open game archives or pack files natively, so specialized utilities are needed. The initial test, right-click the FTB file and choose Open With. If FTB app for Minecraft is installed, test that first. If it's not present, choose another program. Don't worry if it fails on the first try. If the FTB file won't open, don't panic. We're skipping the panic and focusing on the facts. Let's quickly review the common technical reasons your system is reporting this specific FTB error. First, installing via FTB Launcher. Download and install the FTB app from feedthebeast.com. Browse available mod packs in the launcher or import a custom FTB mod pack file. The launcher automatically downloads all required mods, Forge or Fabric loader, and configuration files, creating a ready-to-play modded Minecraft instance with all dependencies resolved. Next, using CurseForge App. Many FTB mod packs are also available through the CurseForge app. Install CurseForge and search for the mod pack name or import the FTB pack configuration. CurseForge handles mod downloads, dependency resolution, and Minecraft profile creation, similarly to the FTB launcher with additional mod management and update features. Finally, troubleshooting. Mod conflicts. If the mod pack crashes on launch, check the crash log in the Minecraft logs folder for the specific mod causing the error. Allocate more RAM to the Minecraft instance through launcher settings, as large mod packs often require 6 GB or more. Update Java to the latest version and verify all mods downloaded completely without corruption. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.